Hey, Dave Knight here at 123daytrade.com. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. Today was Wednesday, April 25th, 2018. It was inventory day. It's been usually one of my better trading days, but today was not a winning trading day for the inventory strategy. Figure that with a 12 tick stop loss on a 2/3 stop today, that you would have averaged out 36 to 40 ticks of slippage. I mean, 36 ticks to 40 ticks, maybe, perhaps with slippage being effective after 3 trades. So 3 trades today would have been all that I would have went after as far as what I would have done. It did knock me out. The most it did is I guess I could have traded a little bit better. We always can go back in time and look at and see how we could have done it better, but most likely today, especially as it whipsawed around the 67.57 to 67.79, I believe, before the 68 handle. It whipsawed back and forth in that area for a considerable amount of time. And even right now, as I'm recording, I believe it's inside that range or close to it again. So it went down, it went up, it went down again, it went up again. It's just been just one of those whipsawing days, and they happen. Um, not everything's perfect, not everything's great, not every strategy is going to win every time. And if someone says I've got this strategy that wins all the time, well, I can flat out tell you that they're a liar to start with. And nothing, especially if you're relying on something to prove itself, there's always exceptions to the general rule. Today was the exception. I mean, the market looked like it was going to go down early, then it looked like it was going to go up, then it looked like it was going to go down again, then it looked like it was going to go up, up, down, up, down, up, down. Obviously, those kind of days, as a trend trader, are going to be days that I lose. It was a day that I got whipsawed in between, and rightly so. I probably just shouldn't have never took on a long signal today. I went and busted out of the combine after 3 losers in a row as far as days go, and I decided to ante up or pony up another 99 bucks and start a fresh combine on tomorrow, being Thursday, and start utilizing some of the information that I'm gleaning into this particular combine. Unfortunately, one of the things that happens with me is once I fill out a funded, I'm about, I don't know, I feel kind of relieved in a way, and then I get in that combine and I seem to blow that too. It's just a matter of getting the self-discipline back together again sometimes. Although I know half the reason why I'm failing right now is that I don't have a really good long strategy to take on the longs. Yesterday could have been the woulda, shoulda, coulda side of yesterday. Should have been a nice. It was a nice trending day going down. Um, if I could have kept enough powder dry yesterday, it would have been not only a good win up, but a good win going back down. So today, it's just one of those days that simply, unless maybe you're a scalper taking a couple ticks here and there, this is not a trend friendly day. It was not a trend friendly day. It didn't trend down. It didn't trend up as far as after the inventory report at the 9:30 a.m. CST mark. That's really all I have to say about today. I'm looking forward to this next combine, once again, utilizing some of the things that I'm learning and hopefully applying some of the logic that I have been using in my recaps to show exactly how I think I can approach this market and how I can, at least look at areas that seem to be more trend worthy than other areas which are basically whipsawing me in the account. So it's best to learn in an environment that you don't have a lot to risk in. So I will continue to move forward and hopefully with a little bit of a minor correction here and a minor correction there, find myself out of the combine this time around, going into FTP, get myself out of that and getting back into funded. I'd like to have a valid strategy to be able to handle the long side of the market. That will be my continued work and effort that I have, and I hope to utilize that into this next combine to start recognizing certain volume levels. Basically, long story short, looking for a volume figure of at least 1,000 on my tick charts before I start sequencing any trades in. So give myself the ability to stand aside and be okay with it. That's kind of where I'm going with it. That's it. Have a great rest of your day. I look forward to talking to you tomorrow. Hope you had an awesome day. If you didn't, hopefully you protected your capital as best you could. And let's move on for the next day. And hopefully it's a trend-worthy day. This is Dave Knight here at 123daytrade.com. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. I'll see you in the next video I put together. Bye for now. Hit that right button, all right?